These are the sections that we are going to go through for this tutorial. Let's check whether the platform tools and ADB are already installed and configured. Search env and click on the environment variables button, and click on path and edit. And if you can see this Android/SDK/platform tools, then you're good to go. After clicking the link in the video description, you will reach to this page and you can download the SDK platform tools for Windows. Accept the terms and conditions and you will get a zip file downloaded. You have to extract this, and suppose you are extracting it to, you can extract it, then you can see it is here. You can just click on the copy as path button and go to the env and click on environment variables, go to path, edit, new, and Control V to paste. Okay, you don't have to add the codes. So that is how you do it, but I'm not doing it because I already have it through Android Studio, so I will delete it and you will be fine now. If you have any doubts or issues, please share in the comments below. Let's turn on developer options in our phone. Go to the settings and into about phone and check for something called software information. It may be different for your phone, and click on the build number button for several times. And you will see a snack bar called developer options is enabled. Now you have to search for the developer options and scroll down to wireless debugging and you can enable it. As you can see, my phone is not present here. So what we are going to do first is go to the extensions and search ADB, and you will find ADB QR. You have to install it. Okay, now what you have to do is to press Ctrl Shift P together and search ADB and click on connect with QR code, and you will see the QR code there. Scan it with your phone. You can see that the phone is connected now. You can also see it here. Let's try to run the project now. Flutter run. You can see that our phone is there. Okay, we have successfully added wireless debugging as a method of debugging into our developer toolkit. So hope you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.